TV. Okay, so right now I have a quick DIY recipe for like a air freshener. So I'm in already on campus and I did this for an event and it's really quick and it's really effective. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. All you need is 3 things and like that's it. It's really quick. So let's get to it. Okay, so I have the 3 ingredients that you're gonna need right here. So you're gonna need just a spray bottle, and this spray bottle, you can get these at Dollar Tree for like $1 and some change. It's really cheap, so that's easy to get. And then warm water. So I put some warm water in here so that we have it there so we can make it. And then for the fragrance, all you're gonna need is some Downy Unstoppables. This is basically the washing detergent, like little balls in there. So these are all the 3 things that we're gonna need, and I will show you how to mix them. Okay, so what you're gonna do first, it's like really easy and it's so quick. So what you're gonna do first is you're going to, this is warm water, this is lukewarm, so it's basically not cold, but just like warm enough that it's like not too hot. However you interpret that. So warm water, you're gonna pour a little bit of warm water in your spray bottle. And when you do that, you're going to take the Unstoppables, whatever fragrance. It doesn't have to be this fragrance. It could be any fragrance that you like. This is just my favorite. Okay, so this is how it looks. And you're basically going to put this in the water bottle. Excuse me for my messiness, but it can get that way. Okay, so you're basically gonna put as much as you want. Like some people like their air fresheners really strong. I kind of like mine's just moderately good where I can be able to smell like the fragrance. So you're just gonna put as much as you want in there. And then once you do that, you're gonna close it. And then you're just gonna shake, right? You're gonna shake it. So once you shake it, it gets really saturated in the water. And then when you shake it, after you shake it, you're gonna let it sit there for about 5 minutes and then we'll be right back. Okay, so these are fresheners. After you make them yourself, you can basically spray it in the bathrooms, you can spray it in your room if you want. It smells really good. It smells basically just like this, but instead of it being on your clothes, it's in the air.